This slide says graph the following function. You may use Desmos, but make sure to draw the graph on your paper. Then answer the questions below. So we've got the function y equals 2 times x plus 3 squared minus 5. I've got it preloaded here on Desmos. It is a parabola. Make sure that you sketch this on your paper. Question 4 says, use the graph to find the solutions to the equation 2 times x plus 3 squared minus 5 equals negative 3. We've done problems like this in a lesson and in some of the homework problems. When you've got an equation like this with just x, you can check your solution graphically or solve graphically by taking each side of the equation and setting it equal to y, and then graphing these two functions on the same set of axes. So I've taken the left side, y equals 2x plus 3 squared minus 5, set it equal to y, and that's exactly what we have graphed over here actually. This is the parabola that you should have drawn in your paper, and so the only thing that we want to add to our graph is y equals negative 3. Y equals negative 3. And what we're looking for here is the x-coordinate of the points of intersection. Again, since this original equation only had x for number 4, we just want these x values, again, of the points of intersection. So right here at this point, negative 4, negative 3, what we care about is that negative 4. So I know x equals negative 4. The other point of intersection is here at negative 2, negative 3, so I know that x is also equal to negative 2. Again, the x-coordinate of those points of intersection. And if you were to take these two solutions and plug them back in for x in your original equation, you're going to see that these two values make the equation true, which is exactly what we want. Okay, number 5 says, how does the graph show the solutions to the equation above? So in words, I'm just going to describe what we've already done. So let me type this out actually. You can find the solutions using the graph by looking at where the parabola intersects the line y equals negative 3. The solutions are only the x values, since the equation only has x in it. Okay, so that's it for number 5. And then for number 6, the question is, how many solutions does the following equation have? What are the solutions? And it looks like it's the same equation almost, except instead of a negative 3, it's a positive 3 for our equation in number 6. So what we'll do is we will graph y equals positive 3. There are 2 points of intersection, so that tells me that there are 2 solutions. Again, that's because the parabola intersects the line y equals 3 twice. Okay, what are those 2 solutions? I'm only looking at the x-coordinates for that first point. I've got x equals negative 5, and for that other point, x equals negative 1. And we are finished.